Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, we're here sitting at Walgreens. Instead of doing a pickup order this week, we are heading into the store so we can grab a register reward, and I'm gonna get all of this for free and make some money. So let's check out this awesome deal. Right, Carmen? Okay, guys, so this transaction is small but mighty, really mighty. So this is a $7.62 money maker. I kid you not. I am so excited about this. So I did have a booster, I will say that, and I'll show you how I put this together. I'm going to do each deal separately, but even without the booster, this is still a money maker. So let's go through each one of these deals. So here is the first deal, the Oral-B and Crest deal. Each one of these are on sale this week for just $4. So you want to grab two of them for this deal because when you get two of them, you're going to get a $4 register reward. But on top of it, make sure you load a $2 off one for the Oral-B and a $2 off one for the Crest. So you're going to pay out of pocket $4, but then get a $4 register reward, making this completely free. Super easy deal. Now, if you're doing the deal by itself, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance and still get your register reward. But if you are doing a booster, make sure you don't use your Walgreens cash. Next deal I have for you here is the Colgate Toothpaste. So the Colgate Toothpaste is on sale this week for $3.99. Grab two of them. Your total is going to come to $7.98. There is a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Load that digital coupon. Then you will get back $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy two, making this actually completely free and a 2-cent moneymaker. Really, really awesome deal here. Again, because it's buy two, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. However, if you are using this with a booster, make sure you don't use that Walgreens cash. Okay, guys, the Bic Soleil is probably my favorite deal that is going on. So you want to look for the cheapest ones. These are the cheapest ones I could find. They all vary in prices, but there are some that are as low as $6.49, which is what you see right here. I grabbed these. They are on sale this week for buy one, get one 50% off. All right, so one is going to ring up $6.49. The other one is going to ring up $3.24. That's going to take your total to $9.73. There's a 6 off 2 digital coupon. So load that digital coupon out of pocket. You're going to pay $3 and just 73 cents. So $3.73. You're going to get back $2 in Walgreens cash for buying two. And then you're also going to submit to Ibotta. So Ibotta has a rebate for 3 back on 2. This is a really, really, really awesome deal. So now you are not only getting these for completely free, you're going to make $1.27. So excited about this deal. And like always, you can pay down the balance with Walgreens cash for this particular deal. However, if you are doing any kind of booster, you want to make sure that you don't use your Walgreens cash. Okay, guys, let's talk about the deals. I wanted to show you real quick. I had absolutely no problems with this deal. Everything came off smoothly and perfectly. As you can see, the 6 off 2 for the Bic came off, the 3 off 2 for the Colgate came off, 2 off of the Oral-B and 2 off of the Crest. My subtotal was $12.71. There was $1.54 worth of tax that I'm not putting in my transaction. So I did pay the total on my debit card, $14.25. When you come down here, you can see that my opening balance was $26.41 in Walgreens cash. I ended up getting $13.25. So again, 2 was for the Bic. 5 was for the Colgate, and then 6 for the booster, getting 13, and then the 25 cents just has to do with how much I actually spent out of pocket. So that's really, really awesome. I bought a rebate back for $3 back. It actually was $3.25 because I had an any receipt as well. So that was pretty awesome. Okay, real quick, I want to review this with you. Total that you see here is $25.71. Now, after all of the coupons came off, we had $12.71 out of pocket. I received a $4 register reward for the Crest and Oral-B, $5 in Walgreens cash for the Colgate. I received $2 in Walgreens cash for the Bic, and then I also received $6 in Walgreens cash for the booster. Then on top of that, I've got 8 cents back from Fetch when I submitted my receipt. If you're not familiar with Fetch, you want to make sure that you download that rebate app right now. I have a referral code in the description box below. Please, please, please make sure you use that referral code when you sign up. It's going to be well worth it. Then I also submitted to Ibotta and got $3.25 back. $3 for 3 back on 2 of the Bic, as well as 25 cents for any receipt. So my final cost after all is said and done, and I'm so excited, we have a $7.62 Moneymaker. $7.62 Moneymaker, everything for free, and I made some money. All right, guys, if you like these Walgreens hauls, please let me know in the comments if you want to see more. Let me know if you do any of these deals and if you score. Obviously, tag me on Instagram post or upload a picture to our Facebook group so we can see how you did. Have a wonderful week, guys, and I will see you later. Bye.